Hi guys, welcome back. This is our third home on our actual home tour. Trying to find us a place to stay in Atlanta, and let's go right on into the house. It's very pretty outside. It has wonderful curb appeal. So as soon as you walk in, you guys, we're gonna go right into the first open room that's over to the right. And this is what you will have as your normal formal dining. I love the tray ceilings. And it kind of if you know, watch my first home video, it looks very similar to it. Same layout. And this is the guest bathroom. Well, really restroom. It doesn't have a bathtub. This is the living room. It looks kind of small, but I do like the fireplace. And here is the lovely kitchen. I guess it's not my dream home kitchen. We're just renting, so this will definitely, meet all my needs. Now we're going into the garage. And I just wanted to let you guys see, it's kind of a small garage for me and my husband to both park into. He doesn't like for you to open your door and ding here, so we would need an oversized garage. But this will definitely work in the meantime. And I have some really nice decoration that will go, really well with this kitchen. I do like the island. And I promise you guys, it is exactly like the first home we got when we moved to Atlanta. It may have the finishings that we didn't have in the first home. I mean, everything looks the same except this has a finished backyard. And you guys know I have a new puppy, Jackson, that we love. And he will lose his mind, honey, with all this grass. This is plenty of room for him. And my boys are kind of older and they really wouldn't stay in the backyard anyway. But that would definitely work for us. So now, guys, we're going to go ahead and take a look into this closet. And I think this is just maybe a coat closet here. I promise, I want you guys to go back and look at my first home that I moved into when we first moved to Atlanta. I promise it's the same setup. That's probably why I like it so much. So it's just a little bit more modern than that one. That's it. A little bit more nice, great finishings. This is the first bedroom. All the bedrooms are identical, except the master bedroom. They're all equal in size. And the closets are perfect for my kids. And of course, they will have their own room. I'm going to walk across the hall into the laundry room and another bedroom. This one has the double doors that open, but it's the same size, the exact same size. And look at the little closet. That'll be for Justin. I think I'll do this one for my youngest son, because the closet is a tad bit smaller than the first closet that we showed you. So this will be the restroom that the boys will be sharing. And it's bigger than the last restroom that we had, or bathroom that we had, for them to share. And this will walk into what we usually would have as the guest bedroom or gaming room that I usually use. Because I think this is a 4-bedroom home. And this is where I will be doing all of my filming. For all of my videos for you guys. I can really have some privacy. And have a lot of room to store all of my makeup and, clothes that I might be reviewing for you guys. Yes, I really, really am liking this house more than any other house we've seen thus far. That's kind of why I showed it to you. And that's just a linen closet for all the towels. And now we're going to take you into the grand bedroom, which is the last room on this stop. Okay? I love the double doors. Love. Make a grand entrance into the master bedroom, darling. All right. I love the ceiling. I love how spacious it is. I do believe my last bedroom was bigger than this, but that's okay. It works for me. That's the tub. And then we have the stand-up shower right next to it. And I love the double doors that lead into the restroom as well. That's kind of fancy. No, we didn't have that last time. And I love the his and her sinks, because last time we did have 2 sinks, but it was connected. That way he can keep his stuff on one side and my stuff on the other side. Now let's walk into this closet, honey. Okay, yeah, the toilet. We all know it came with a toilet. But this closet, it definitely suits our purpose for all of our junk. My husband has just about as many clothes as I do. And I think that's all that I have to show you guys. And let me know below whether you liked the home or you didn't.